Hi juicy queens, welcome back again to another juicy content. If you are new here, hello, my name is Estelle. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what happened behind the scene. Like, I have natural curly lashes, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I wing and put on my lashes. Yeah, most of the time I tell you guys, let me go put my lashes on and I'll be right back, but today I'm going to be showing you guys what happened behind the scenes. Sometimes guys, the struggle is real, so we're going to do all that together. If this interests you and you want to watch, just sit tight and watch. If you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe, join the juicy queen. You want to get that title, it's very important. And if you love this video, give it a thumbs up. Without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. I'll zoom you guys in so you can see how I struggle with this whole thing, but definitely I hope the result is going to be worth it. I'm going to be I know I'm looking all ashy because I didn't really do a lot to my face, but stick around. So I have this kind of, you see this makes it easy to wing your lashes if you have my type of lash. As you can see, they are curled in. And this one, they are difficult to use, so if you're a beginner, I'll tell you to stick with this one. So this is the Epic Ink liner from NYX. I love this so much because I can easily work with this tip. And yeah, I'll zoom you guys in more. So I'll zoom you guys in more so you can see what I'm doing. So two things I do. Sometimes if I want a very tiny wing, I hold here and, you know, draw it. That way I'll just be concentrating on my lid, like, you know, I'll be concentrating on my lash line. But because that's not what I'm going for, I may not even hold it, but you can still hold it. So now to start, I'm going to hold it again and I'll come towards this place. The first line don't need to be perfect, but you can correct that afterwards. Now when I get to this, the middle of my eyes, I start to take it upwards. Now I'm trying to connect those two lines together. Like I told you, the first one don't need to be perfect. I'm just, you know, taking out my lash just to go in there because my lash is just staying on the way. So I'm just putting this like inside my lash here just to be able to get into those lines. Now I have it looking like this here. For these eyes, I'm going to show you guys like normal how you can just do a little and simple one, but for here, let's just wing it upwards. Now I'm going to get in here, you see here at the edge of the outer part of my eyes, at this edge here, I'm going to take it upwards. Now guys, remember these eyes, we're going to do it a simple way, like remember we're going to start from this edge. Now some people just cut it from here, but I like to join mine together. You don't need to put concealer, but for the purpose of this video, I'm just showing if you want that perfect sharp line. So for the eyes, depend on what you like. This one is when you want to just do that bold eye, cat's eye look. And this is also when you want to do your normal wing eyeliner. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the lashes. I'm going to apply my glue while I'm waiting for the lashes to dry. I'm going to come back and do my lashes with you guys. So after applying it, this is how it's looking. You make sure you cut it and do it properly. I'm going to show you guys what I do. So as you can see, I have natural curly lashes. Now this is what I do. So this is this thing like this, okay? So you're going to hold it like this. Make sure this side is facing you. That takes it up. So now you're going to place your hands like this. This is like the easiest way to get your false lashes to just blend in with your natural lash, and just place it on the normal lid line where you're supposed to place it. So you're just going to place this like this. It doesn't hurt, guys, and it will grab your natural lash. And this is what you want to do. Like, I'll do this thing. Now I'm going to take my lashes, and this will be so easy for me to apply. Before applying your lashes, you want to measure it by placing it on your lid. If you have excess coming out after here, just make sure to cut it out. For this, I've already trimmed the sharp ends that tend to, you know, pierce on the body or touch the body. So now I'm going to just look down. So I have my mirror here, but you can as well go in with a smaller mirror. So I have this little mirror here. I'm going to use this look downwards. Now it's not like it's totally on my lid line. I'll still have to go in and press it. I'm going to press the false lashes and my natural lash together, still looking downwards. So this is what happened behind the scene. Sometimes you don't see it. So now we have our lashes glued together. Everything went in, but guys, if I don't do this step, it's always a big problem for me because I end up having my lashes here and there. They won't glue to my natural lashes. So if you have curly lashes and you struggle putting on your lashes, you can as well practice this step. It took me maybe 1 week or 2 weeks to get used to using this color, so it's very, very good and it gives you good results. So now the next step is, now for me to blend in my natural lash, I'm going to use this Fenty mascara. You can use any one, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to blend in my natural lash to the false lashes, that way we don't see any demarcation. So guys, now when you are after applying your lashes, I like to go back with my liner again, blend in that the band of that lashes to my liner. Just watch and see. Ooh. Yeah, so this is most times what happened behind the scene. My eyes are going red. My GC queens, we've come to the end of this tutorial and I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me. I did enjoy this video. Which of the wing liners do you prefer more, the bold or the simple one? I call this simple because of my kind of eyes. I have hooded eyes and my skin tends to cover some part of my eyes. So in order to make it pronounced, obvious, beautiful, you just have to take it out a little bit. But if your eyes are not like mine, you can as well just do a little bit, just play around with it and get used to your eye shape. And yeah, I love this video so much. It's been a while I wanted to create this video and I'm happy I did. I hope also that you enjoyed this video. For the lashes, I hope also you enjoyed it. Did you find my tips helpful? If you have curly lashes, did you find them helpful? If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye bye.